Tonight I find myself in Arkadelphia, Arkansas at the pilot. Oh look, my glasses are fogging up. That's real nice. I'm having trouble getting to sleep. My imagination is overactive and I got a lot on my mind, and I just can't shut it down so I can sleep. I'm gonna go inside the pilot here. Look at it, it's raining. I'm gonna go inside the pilot, give me a little snack. Maybe that'll knock me out, I don't know. Oh, I can't see anything. My glasses are fogged up. I wonder what they have to eat. Oh, look at the lights on that truck. Can you see that? Not the headlights. Oh, well, it doesn't matter much. Let's see what they have to eat in here. Yeah, it's raining tonight. I don't even care. Oh, I wish I could get some sleep though. I'm tired of being like this. First things first, go to the restroom. Where is it? There it is. I guess there's a ghost in here. This thing's gonna empty itself out. What's the matter with that thing? Guess it's done. Okay, let's see what there is to eat. What is there to eat? Yeah, there's nice cream. Not even any Cinnabons. I don't eat that anyway. There's this stuff. One slice of supreme pizza. What's all this? Well, I wonder how long that's been done. Sausage, egg, cheese, French toast, Angus steak, egg and pepper, jack cheese bagel, bacon, egg, cheese, French toast, sausage, egg and biscuit, sausage, egg, cheese, griddle cake, chicken cheese biscuit, make a meat burrito. I just don't know. Doesn't look appealing. I don't know. Thought I was hungry. Thanks. Yeah, I thought I was hungry. Kinda am, but not for any of that trash. Look on my camera. There it is. Got the water off of it. Sorry about that. Row of truck drivers trying to sleep. I wish this one could. I sure wish I could. Guess I'll fix another peanut butter sandwich. Probably be better for me anyway. If it's gonna rain, I wish it'd rain hard enough where I could hear it on the roof. This is just like something a little heavier than a mist. Very annoying. Well, I'm almost back to the truck. Ooh, maybe this walk did me good. I'm not sure. Now look at this little rig. He got his pickup and his golf cart, and then there's the motorhome. I wonder what that's all about. They're out for the night though. See this guy finally went to bed. That's what I'm pulling. Another one of these tanks. A different one from the other day though when I was at Summit. This one is not a rail car. Look at that, that's rough, isn't it? That's beat up. Looks crooked. Heck, I don't know. Truck's going down I-30. Well, folks, hope you guys can sleep. God, how am I going to do that sleep study if I can't go to sleep? How in the world am I going to do that sleep study if I can't go to sleep? Oh well. I'll do the best I can. Hope y'all sleep well. Good night.